Greetings, this is Colleen Sedgwick for TAFE Media. I had the pleasure of attending last week's drone show for Vivid Sydney, Love is in the Air. However, not every single person was feeling it. I, for one, a neurodivergent woman with chronic back pain and very sore feet, found myself jostling through the crowds just to get the best view possible. I was lucky to get a glimpse of the show. Was it worth it? If you were there, perhaps you can answer the question. If not, you can look at the video and decide for yourself. This isn't to say that the organisers didn't do a good job, far from it, but sometimes it makes more sense to sacrifice a prime vantage point for something or somewhere more comfortable where you can sit down and enjoy the view anyway. This is Colleen Sedgwick signing off for TAFE Media. Thank you.